Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and click on your profile at the below right corner. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to move along to the next step, click the three bars at the top right, and from there, just go ahead to the settings. In the settings, what I'm going to do, you're going to see right here multiple tools. Just go ahead and click privacy. And from there, you're going to see the limits, comments, posts, mentions, and story. Click on the story. And what you're going to do here, scroll a little bit down to the saving section. And from there, just automatically toggle on this save story to camera roll. That means that automatically whenever you post a story on Instagram will be saved to your camera roll. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just click on my profile icon at the below right corner again, go ahead to the home feed and just go ahead into creating a new story, right? So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add a picture or a video from my camera roll. Let's have an example like the Instagram logo, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and add the music, right? Whatever it might be, just go ahead and choose the music from the music library, and after you add it, the music will be played. So unfortunately I can't select any type of music because I don't want get caught by the copyright. And after you select the music type that you want, just go ahead and move along to add it to your story, right? Now with that being said, your video will be saved to the camera roll, right? So what you're gonna do next, just go back to your screen, and what you're gonna do, go ahead to your WhatsApp, and basically what you're gonna do on the WhatsApp, click on the updates at the below left corner, and just go ahead and click the camera right here. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna add right here from the saved story that you automatically saved from the posting that story, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.